Hey and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're taking a close look at one of the most popular scooters for city commuters at the Yamaha Zuma 50F. This scooter brings together rugged looks, excellent fuel economy, and ease of use, making it a great choice for both new riders and seasoned urban explorers. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the Zuma 50F. Let's start with the design. The Zuma 50F has a bold, adventure-ready appearance that sets it apart from other scooters in its class. With its off-road inspired aesthetic, this scooter features aggressive dual headlights, which not only look cool but also offer great visibility. The wide, chunky tires give the Zuma 50F a solid stance and provide enhanced stability on various road surfaces. Whether you're navigating smooth city streets or bumpier back roads, the Zuma 50F is designed to handle it all. Its compact size adds to its agility, making it perfect for weaving through traffic or parking in tight spots. Next, let's talk about performance. The Yamaha Zuma 50F is powered by a 49cc, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine. While small in size, this engine is all about reliability and fuel efficiency. It's the kind of scooter that doesn't need to be fast to be practical. It's perfect for daily commuting, short trips, and getting around town quickly and easily. With Yamaha's fuel injection system, you get smooth throttle response and easy starting in all conditions, whether it's a hot summer day or a chilly morning. One of the most impressive things about the Zuma 50F is its fuel efficiency. This scooter is capable of delivering up to 132 miles per gallon, which makes it one of the most economical rides on the market. With the 1.2-gallon fuel tank, you're looking at over 100 miles of range on a single tank of gas. That means fewer trips to the pump and more money saved in the long run. Perfect for students, city dwellers, or anyone who wants to cut down on fuel costs. Comfort and handling are also major selling points for the Zuma 50F. Yamaha has equipped this scooter with a telescopic front fork and a rear shock absorber, which work together to give you a smooth, cushioned ride. Whether you're dealing with potholes, rough patches, or speed bumps, the Zuma 50F takes it all in stride. The wide tires not only look cool but provide added grip and control, especially when the roads get a bit unpredictable. The Zuma 50F is also incredibly easy to use. Thanks to its automatic V-belt transmission, there's no need to worry about shifting gears. Just twist the throttle and go. This makes the Zuma 50F an excellent option for beginner riders or anyone who prefers a hassle-free riding experience. Plus, the scooter's lightweight frame makes it easy to handle, even for those who are new to two-wheelers. When it comes to practicality, the Zuma 50F doesn't disappoint. Under the seat, you'll find a spacious storage compartment large enough to fit a full-face helmet, along with a few other essentials like groceries or a backpack. There's also a handy hook on the front for hanging bags, adding even more convenience for your day-to-day errands. The seat height is set at 30.1 inches, which is comfortable for most riders and allows for easy foot placement at stops, making it ideal for stop-and-go city traffic. Safety is another key feature of the Zuma 50F. It's equipped with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, offering reliable stopping power for all kinds of riding situations. Whether you're slowing down for a red light or making a quick stop in an emergency, the braking system provides solid control and confidence. Now, let's talk about cost. The Zuma 50F is an affordable entry into the world of scooters, with low upfront costs and minimal maintenance requirements. Thanks to its fuel efficiency and Yamaha's reputation for durability, the Zuma 50F offers long-term savings that make it a great investment for anyone looking for an economical mode of transport. It's ideal for those who want a reliable, budget-friendly ride without compromising on style or performance. Whether you're a first-time rider, a daily commuter, or just someone looking for a fun and practical way to get around, the Yamaha Zuma 50F ticks all the right boxes. Its rugged design, reliable performance, and outstanding fuel efficiency make it one of the best options for urban transportation. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and insights on the latest scooters and motorcycles. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Yamaha Zuma 50F and whether it's the right ride for you. See you next time.